Hello guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about something different than we've been learning about. So let's go up here, make a new Python file. I'm just going to call it main. Go down here, find Python. Now just put it on your desktop. Okay, now you can start writing like import OS and that type of stuff. I usually just do this so window doesn't exit out immediately. And if there's an error, I can see it because it'll show you it. So let's make a tkinter. No, I can't make that because I don't have the two pictures I need. Let's make a random number generator. So you're gonna want to type. No, let's not make that. Let's make a let's make a input system where you type something in and then it'll give it back to you. So I'm gonna do input is equal to what is your name, and then you put a space like that, and you put name is equal to input. Now then you're gonna have name is equal, because whenever they type something in, it's gonna give that as the name variable right here. So then they're gonna have the name as that. And I'm just gonna import time because you can do a lot of stuff with time, like time.sleep. So I'm gonna do print print name, and then I'm gonna do um I'm going to do print name, and then I'm going to do time.sleep before it, so it'll actually take some time. How about 5 seconds that'll take? And we want to put down here os.system.pause right there. Okay, now that we have that, we can test the script out. What is your name? I'm just going to type in Landon. It's going to wait 5 seconds, and then it's going to print the name. So that is how inputs work. But what I would recommend doing up here is I would do os.system, and then I would put clear, COS for clear. That's going to clear the screen for you, so it wouldn't have it up there. So what I would do is I would go back in here and I would type main, and now if I type the name, it's going to automatically clear it out. And I would put a delay there just so it doesn't clear it out immediately. I'll put time dot sleep. How about like 0.5 of a second, so you have that kind of like a delay right there. And I'm gonna go back to main, and there I'm gonna type Landon. It's gonna do one, then it's gonna do a 5 second delay. Now you can really just do whatever type of delay you want. You can literally put 2 for that, because that would actually be a good time for it to give it back to you. Okay, what is my name? I'm just gonna type in Tom as my name. It's gonna clear that out, and then 2 seconds later it's gonna give it back. Close out the window. Now I know what the person's name is. And you can make more than one input and make it print out more than one input. So what I would do is I would do this, and I would start doing that. Instead of name, you would put like age, and like DOB for date of birth. What is your DOB? Because then you put the age right there, and now it'll clear after you type what the input is. It'll clear. So now you're gonna want to print all of these down below. Print DOB, print age, and right there now you have all these things that it'll tell about the person that put it in. So say you type in your name, it'll clear it out, then it'll ask for your date of birth. It couldn't be a 0, so I put 1/1980 12. Now it's going to give you all that little information right there that will be in the input boxes that you just tabbed. So this is how you make inputs, and you turn them into variables that you can later use in different things. You don't have to use them to print things. You can use them for any other function that you might want. So like if you wanted to pick a color for the background of a Tinker background, you would type the input of what you wanted, if you wanted black, and it would put that as the background color for the Tinker. Let's no, let's not do that. Okay, bye.